So here's the participle and infinitive review. And so the present active participle, remember, is ens entis. The only thing you have to figure out is what the stem vowel is, and that depends on the conjugation. Since this is O-E-R-E, the stem vowel is going to be E, because it's third. So it's trahens, entis, and it means dragging. The perfect passive participle, remember, is really easy because it's just the fourth principal part, and it means dragged. The future active participle is the fourth principal part minus the us, and you add us, it means about to drag. The present active infinitive should be really easy because it's just the second principal part, to drag. The present passive infinitive. So since this is third, you're going to drop 3 letters away. You're going to drop the whole ERE and just add an I. And it's to be dragged. The perfect active infinitive is just the third principal part plus ISSE, and it's to have dragged. Perfect passive infinitive is the fourth principal part plus SA, to have been dragged. Future active is the fourth principal part minus the US, so you add US, SA, and it's to be about to drag. Comparison of adjectives. So I'll give you the positive form, and you have to give me the comparative and the superlative. Malus is one of your irregulars, the 5 that you have to know, so you have to recognize it. And so it's pior, and then pius. And the superlative is pessimus, Latus, you take the stem, lot, you add IOR for the masculine and feminine, and then you add IUS for the neuter. And for the superlative, it's issimus. Similus E, you just take the base, you add IOR, and then the base, IUS. And since this ends in LIS, for the superlative, all you do is you double the L and add limus, We add my above here. Polker, again you take the base, Polkrior, IOR for the masculine and feminine, and take the base and IUS for the neuter. And since this ends in ER for the superlative, all I do is double the R and then emus, Now here are the adverbs. I will give you the positive adjective, and then you have to give me the positive, comparative, and superlative adverb. Aker is third, and so to make a third adverb, I'm going to take the base and add ITER. The comparative adverb is just going to be the stem plus IUS, just like the comparative neuter adjective. And the superlative, since this ends in ER, I'm just going to double the R and add ime. Parvus is one of my irregulars. I need to recognize it. And the positive adverb is parvum. The comparative adverb is the same form as the neuter comparative adjective. And so this would just be minus. And the superlative adverb is minime. Difficilus is third, so I'm going to take the stem and add ITER. For the comparative adverb, I just take the stem and add IUS. And since this ends in LIS, I'm going to take the end and just add another L and add ime to it.